What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Jen Eric Finds and Reviews. It's been a while since we released a video, but we are back. We are going to be releasing more product review videos, and stay tuned for that. Today we're going to be reviewing this 2-camera baby monitor from IeGeek. It has 2 cameras, and then it has a 5-inch screen, a split screen video. Apparently you can view both cameras on the screen. Doesn't show it on here, but we did get this from Amazon. We got it for about $135. It was on sale, so I don't know how much the original price is. $135 plus tax. So this right here has a review of, or it has 111 reviews, and it has 4.6 on this. So first thing we always do is look at the reviews on Amazon before we purchase. Anything 4 and below, hard pass. Some things aren't too bad, but we prefer sticking with something preferably 4.5 and up, or if we don't have a choice, we go with anything above 4. But let's go ahead and open this and see what's inside. Again, it does come with 2 cameras and with that screen. All right. So the resolution is 2K. So we'll see how that monitor looks, and you can also download the app. I'm not sure if that was extra. I think it comes with it, because I know there were some baby monitors where you would have to pay extra if you wanted to use the app, but I think this one, the app comes with it, so you can view it through the little monitor or through the app as well. And it has a warranty card. That's always good to keep. So let's start off with the cables first. So I'm guessing these are the charging cables for the cameras. We'll put those aside for now. So I'm guessing, yeah, so there's 3. I'm guessing one of these is for the monitor itself as well, to be charging or stay plugged in. I don't know if, I'm guessing you can charge the monitor. Some screws for, I have no idea what these are for. But we're gonna look at that. So these 2 little plastic covers. I guess we'll find out what they're used for. We'll put those back in here for now. Oh, I missed this. It's like some sort of key. I guess we'll see if we need it, but I mean, if it comes with it, we'll need it, right? So we'll put that aside as well. And so this is all the 3 chargers. I'm glad it comes with these, because a lot of products come with the cables, but they never actually come with the charging box. So this is a plus on my end. See right here, and then it comes with 3 of them. So the 3 cables and the 3. Again, not a lot of products come with the little box, so that's a plus for me. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the cameras. I view, or I read a lot of the comments, a lot of the reviews that are there. I don't know, I guess it just depends how what you like. Some people are satisfied with little simple things, which that's good, but there's other people that they expect so much more. But then for the price you're paying, I mean, you're paying a good price, but you can't expect the best quality either when you're just purchasing something with a good price. So 135, I don't know, I guess it's around the same price range as the other ones, right? So far in my hand, feels decent. It's like plastic, but it doesn't feel super cheap. so that's good. This feels like a little rubbery. Looks like it's a little helmet on there, but it's a little wiggly, you know, so because I think you're able to control it and move it around. I don't know if you can see right here, looks like a SD card for memory. It looks like right here, so we're gonna go with that's what it's for. But again, we have the manual, so we can look at that. You can charge it back here. I'm guessing this is a speaker. So I think they sell some extensions or some mounts that you can buy in case you want to put it like on the crib or wherever. You can clip it on there and then you can kind of adjust it to whatever angle you want. I did see some on Amazon. They didn't have too many good reviews, so you know, we're gonna hold off on those for now and just kind of lay this out wherever we can and see if that works. If not, we'll get those mounts and see how they work, and we'll make a review video on those as well. But there's a little button here for the speaker, sorry, yeah, for a microphone, sorry, for the microphone here. Again, I'm not sure how exactly these work, so we'll look at those as well. But and of course, same thing. And then call pair. So yeah, I guess you just pair these to the monitors and to the app as well. Now here it is. Here's the 5-inch monitor. As you can see here, the speaker right here. Guess what is this? The antenna. Okay, I'm not sure what that's for, but you can see here, I guess, zoom in, menu, and you can click on these to move the camera. And I guess if you want to speak, I don't know if you have to hold the microphone or just click it once and then to go back. But let me turn these on and then I will pair everything and see how that works. All right, so I was able to get this one connected and started. And so here is the screen. Since I only have one camera connected, you can only see it on one side, but you'll have both. I was trying to figure out, but I'll keep messing with it. I was trying to see if I only have one camera, if it'll fill up the whole screen or if it'll just stay like this. But I'll look into that. I did find out, or I did figure out that this is the antenna right here for that. And then also, this is a little stand, so you can put it down and it'll stand for you. And then, so if you move it, as you can see here, I have the camera set. You can move it left, or you can move it right. You can move it down. That's all the way down, but you can go up, you can go down, you can go right. So this is actually pretty cool. We do need one, so that's why we went ahead and and bought it. But overall, I would give it a 9, 8.59. I mean, it's pretty good for the price. It's not too expensive either. So I did see that. So if you want to record, right, your whatever the camera is recording or viewing, sorry, you do need a micro SD card, which you can purchase at anywhere, literally any store. Just make sure it's a micro SD, and you would have to put it there. And then also there's a slot, I showed it earlier in the video, for the camera. I did notice that obviously we have to keep the cameras connected, right? They're not rechargeable. The monitor is rechargeable though. We need to charge it right now, but these are pretty long. I can show you real quick. So you can see these are pretty long because you have to have them plugged in while the camera is on. One thing to note is I haven't connected the app to my phone because I'm using my phone to record, but keep in mind that it does use a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. It doesn't support a 5G, so if you're not familiar with networks and stuff like that, ask someone to help you, or you can even call your provider, your internet provider, and they can help you set this up. That way you can connect the app to it and you won't run into any issues or have any problems with that. But other than that, guys, this is a pretty good deal. Again, just opened it, so we still need to test it out and see how it works and everything. But so far, from what I'm seeing, I do give it a 8.5 or 9. I do recommend it. Again, hopefully it all works out and it doesn't break easy, or it doesn't give out on me. And I did have the sticker, but either way, you can contact this email to activate your 2-year warranty. So if anything does happen, you can get it replaced or get the part replaced or whatever it is that you need. But again, I do recommend it if you do need a baby monitor for this. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link for this product in the description. It might be an affiliate link. I'm not 100% sure yet. If not, I'll just go ahead and put the link on there. Just do us a favor, if you can just like this video, subscribe. If you have any questions or anything, leave a comment. If there's anything that you want us to review later on down the line, leave us a comment and just let us know. We're just looking for new products to review as well. I know there's a lot of things out there that I've searched and there's no video for, and it's popped in my head like I should have made a video for it, but there's just so many things. So if you need something, just let us know. And we love you guys and thank you for all your support. We'll see you next time.